you that if you're taking antibiotics, your birth control may not be as effective.
That's what a lot of women hear. So I would ask you, if you were taking a birth control pill and you had an antibiotic, would you be more concerned about getting pregnant or less? Or
I'd be concerned. That's what doctors have said for years.
And including myself. And I asked 10 women this morning, actually, in an informed poll, and 9 of them said the same thing. And actually, you would be wrong most of the time.
And so is the mystery debunked? Like this is, now we can say this is fact, we don't have to worry? Or how should we judge?
Well, first of all, this all came about back in the 70s with 2 antibiotics particularly, which are now used very rarely. And some researchers got together and they started looking at the hormone levels, and they found out that with most antibiotics, it does not, in fact, lower the rate of hormone levels in your body. So that would then reason that your birth control pills are not less effective.
So can we think that all antibiotics are safe, or are there some we should still watch out for?
I wish it was that simple. There are very few that can, in fact, reduce the effectiveness of the birth control pills. There are 2 of them called rifampin and griseofulvin. But all the common ones, including zithromax, amoxicillin, tetracycline, levaquin, Bactrim, these are names that a lot of women might have heard and are very commonly used, actually do not lower the rate of your levels of hormones. In fact, some of them will increase the levels of hormones.
Really? So it's kind of like you're getting double effectiveness?
Not double, but sometimes they will increase. Depends on the dose and depends on the woman, and of course it depends on the hormone pill, because now they have very low dose hormone pills for birth control.
That's true. Now a lot of women are probably hearing this and thinking, wait a minute, can I believe this? So what's kind of the guideline for advice?
The take-home point is that if you are on an antibiotic and a birth control pill and you miss a dose or you are worried about not being as effective, don't panic. However, to be on the safe side, still be careful. Consider being careful for the period of time you're on the antibiotics and for about 5 to 7 days afterwards. And realize that most antibiotics will not lower the effectiveness of your birth control pill. But
what if you're on the antibiotic for a long period of time?
That might change things. And it also might change things if you're on a newer low-dose birth control pill. And so bottom line is talk to your doctor.
Talk to your doctor,
That's right.
The standard line. And you can talk to Dr. Andy if you have questions about this. You can get a hold of him by giving him a call.